all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Italy's restaurants and bars have started to reopen its historic wine windows as a creative measure to make sure that customers practice social distancing. The scenic northern Italian region of Tuscany has almost 300 little windows, with 150 of them being within the old city walls of Florence. The wine windows, also known as Bucette del Vino, were used in the 1630s during the time of the plague. The windows allowed the merchants to pass the wine to the customers without coming in contact with them. Now, as the COVID-19 pandemic is wreaking havoc, several small establishments in Tuscany have now adapted to wine windows. Two of the local establishments in Florence have started to put the historical windows back into service. During this time, some enterprising Florentine wine window owners have turned back the clock and are using their wine windows to dispense glasses of wine, cups of coffee, drinks, sandwiches, and ice cream, all germ-free, contactless. Although traditionally the windows were used to pass the wine, they are now being used to pass ice creams, coffee, and soft drinks. Florence's Wine Windows Association has said that it is easy for customers to access. People could knock on the little wooden shutters and have their bottles filled directly from the Antinori, Frescobaldi, and Ricasoli families, who still produce some of Italy's best-known wine today. The wine windows are detailed in several publications dating back to the 17th century. It is understood that during the contagion of the plague, people used to pass wine to the customer. Small metal pallets were also passed through the doors to exchange coins for payments. The president of the Wine Windows Association has said that many of the windows were lost in the floods of 1966. The wine windows gradually became defunct, and many wooden ones were permanently lost in the floods of 1966. We want to put a plaque by all the wine windows, as people tend to respect them more when they understand what they are and their history. The wine windows date back to the bubonic plague that swept through Europe in the 1600s. During the time, sellers realized the importance of self-isolation and started using hatches. The sellers also used to extend a metal pallet through a window to make the payment and disinfect with vinegar. Until now, wine windows were usually spotted in old palaces and noble households. Italy is one of the hardest hit countries by the COVID-19 pandemic. The country has reported over 250,000 COVID-19 cases with more than 30,000 deaths.